Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking show and welcome to Balen Kitchen! So ngayon po, magluluto po tayo ng Sisig Tofu. Here are the ingredients. $350 grams of tofu, we have 1 tablespoon of butter. We also need 1 piece of red bell pepper, 1 piece of onion, chopped, 2 tablespoons of liquid seasoning for additional flavor, 4 tablespoons of mayo, onion chives for garnish. We have 1 teaspoon of sugar, pepper, and salt, 3 pieces of chillis. We have 3 tablespoons of water. So, umpisahan na po natin ang paghahalo ng sangkap. So, just drizzle the liquid seasoning in the mayonnaise. Put some salt. And also the water. So mix it up continuously until it's well blended, and then preheat the oil for 2 minutes. Let's fry now the tofu. Fry it until you achieve the color and the texture. Set aside the tofu and drain it. In a pan, just put the butter, saute the onion, and also drop the bell pepper. Follow the cooked tofu. Add the mayonnaise with the seasoning. Just only half of it, and we will use the half later. You have to mix it very well until the tofu will absorb the flavor. So add some onion chives, and chilies for an extra kick. We will also season it with brown sugar, salt, and pepper to taste. Again, mix it very well. Add the butter. And finally, we will put the extra mayonnaise. You have to mix it well. Now it's done. So we will now put it on the plate and present it very well. Since I like spicy food, I garnish it with chilies and onion chives. And here is our finished product. our special Sisig Tofu. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching Balian Kitchen.